Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Maths Book. Today I am here with continuation of passing package target 40 plus. So here we are going to solve the question number 6 for 10th standard, which are the 100% sure question for board examination. So this question comes for 3 marks. Find the zeros of quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficient. So here I have taken 3 questions, and these 3 questions are from model paper and preparatory papers. So let us solve one by one. First question, x square plus 7x plus 10. So first we have to find out the factors, that is zeros. Nothing means 1. 1 tens are 10x square. So I'll just do 2 problems here. So 10 into x square, 10x square. Okay, so we should find two such numbers. When we multiply, we should get 10x square, and when we add, we should get 7x. So let us see. We know that 5 2s are 10, and 5 plus 2 is 10. 5x plus 2x. So let us write here. Now we can see there are the 3 terms. For this 7x, how we will split? X square as it is, plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. Now we can see here we have a 4 terms. This 7x we have split it into 5x plus 2x. Now first and second. Let us see, in first 2 term what is common? X is common. So what remains? 1x remains, plus already x common, so x plus 5. Here nothing but 2 is common, so I'll take 2 common. Why 2? Because in 2 table 10 comes. So 2 common means 2 common, x remains. 2 how many is are 10? 2 5s are 10. So now common bracket is x plus 5. What remains? X plus 2. So x is equals to this, plus 5 becomes minus 5, and x is equals to plus 2 will become minus 2. So we can write minus 5 and minus 2 are zeros of polynomial. Zeros of polynomial. Polynomial which? X square plus 7x plus 10. Now they have told verify the relationship. Now let us verify the relationship. A is equals to nothing means 1, B is equals to 7, and C is equals to 10. Let these are the zeros, and the zeros let us take as alpha and beta. Let alpha is equals to first 0, that is minus 5, and beta is equals to minus 2. These are the zeros of polynomial, so they are alpha and beta. Now verification. So let us verify. We know sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. So alpha value is minus 5 plus beta value is minus 2. B already minus sign, that is formula. B value is 7 and a is nothing but 1. So minus 5 plus minus minus 2 is equals to minus 7. Both minus we should do plus. So 5 plus 2 minus 7 is equals to minus 7. So sum of zeros are verified. Let us see now product of zeros. Alpha into beta is equals to c by a. Alpha value is minus 5 into beta value is minus 2, and c value is 10 by 1. Minus minus plus, when we have multiply we should do minus minus is plus. 5 2s are 10, so 10 equal to 10. That is verified. These are the sum of zeros we have verified, and these are product of zeros between zeros and its coefficient. Let us solve second one question same way. X square plus 2x minus 15. Okay, first and last number we will multiply. Minus 15 into x square, minus 15x square. Okay, now we should find two such number. We need middle number, that is 2x, and if we multiply we need minus 15. So how we will get minus 15? 5 3s are 15. Okay, and 5 minus 3 is 2, but we want plus 2, so bigger number will get 5 3s are 15, plus 5 minus 3 is plus 2, 5x and 3x. Okay, let us substitute now. X square as it is, plus 5x minus 3x minus 15. See, if we solve this, plus 5x minus 3x is nothing but 2x. So it's like middle number we have split it. Now let us find the common between first 2 term and next 2 term. X is common, so what we get? X plus 5. Here we can see minus 3 is common. So I'll take minus 3 common. X remains. If we have taken minus 3, this minus becomes plus. So 3 5s are 15. Now we can see x plus 5 is a common bracket and x minus 3 is the remaining numbers. Now x is equals to minus 5 and x is equals to minus 3 means plus 3. So minus 5 and 3 are zeros of polynomial. Which polynomial? Given polynomial is x square plus 2x minus 15. Now we need to do verify. So a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2 and c is equals to minus 15. And let alpha is equals to minus 5 and beta is equals to 3. Let us verify now. Verification. Okay, alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Alpha value is minus 5 plus beta value is 3 is equals to, this is formula, minus b value is minus 5. Okay, so now b value is 2, not minus 5, only 2. Okay, so minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 and this side also we get minus 2. So LHS is equals to RHS. Same way, alpha into beta is c by a. Alpha value is minus 5 into beta value is 3. C value is minus 15. So 5 3s are 15. Minus 15 is equals to minus 15. So it is verified. So in this way we have to do. And then third one is x square minus 8x plus 12. So here same thing. First and last number will multiply. 12 into x square, 12x square. So we should find two factors so that we should get middle number minus 8x. So 12, how we can get? 4 3s are 12, but 4 plus 3 is 7 and we need 8, and 4 minus 3 is 1. We don't need 1, we need minus 8. So another option, 1 we got, 4 3s are 12, which we cannot get minus 8. So another is 6 2s are 12. Okay, so here but minus we want, so minus 2 minus 6. Minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8. So we got the answer. Minus into minus is plus. So x square minus 6x minus 2x plus 12. Now let us take common. X we have common here. So we got x minus 6. Now I'll take minus 2 common. So when we take minus, this plus becomes minus. X 6, 2 6 are 12. So x minus 6 is a common bracket. X minus 2 is a remaining number. So x is equals to 6 and x is equals to minus 2, not minus. When minus we have, it becomes plus. Therefore 6 and 2 are zeros of polynomial. Which polynomial? Given polynomial is x square minus 8x plus 12. So a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 8 and c is equals to 12. In the same way, let alpha is equals to 6 and beta is equals to 2. Let us verify now. Verification. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Alpha value is 6 plus beta value is 2. This is formula, minus b value is minus 8 upon 1. So 6 plus 2 is 8 and minus minus plus. So LHS is equals to RHS. In the same way, alpha into beta is c by a. So alpha value is 6 into beta value is 2. C value is 12 by 1. 6 2s are 12. 12 is to 12. So in this way we have to find the zeros of polynomial and verify the relationship, which is very important and 100% sure question in board examinations. So this completes the question. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.